Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Fortnite account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. To create a Fortnite account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in fortnite.com like this and hit enter. Now we are on the home page of the Epic Games. As you can see, now to create an account on Fortnite, or we will have to sign up for the Epic Games. To sign up for the Epic Games, you can see the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. First click on sign in, and over here, before you sign up for the Epic Games, you can also sign into Epic Games with Facebook, Google, Xbox, and you can see all these preferences with Steam and Apple. But to sign up for the Epic Games, you can see the sign up button available over here just below all these options. Let's click on sign up, and we will be signing up for Epic Games with our email, not with our Facebook, Google, or Xbox, or with anything, but with our email itself. So you can see on the top there is the sign up with email option available over here. Let's click on sign up with email, and over here we will have to fill out all these details. Let's go and enter our names, and let's go, and you can see this is the display name, which means this name which you had entered over here you will be shown on the display or the profile name of your Epic Games account. Now with that being said, let's continue with the email address, and here is my email address over here. Let's enter with the password. Let's create a strong password by using some capital letters, some small letters, and some numbers with some exclamation type of signs. Let's go, and let's go with the terms of service over here, and let's click on I would like to receive news and surveys special offers from the Epic Games. Now let's click on continue. Let's save the password over here, and you can see to complete this account setup will be required to complete the verification from the Steam. Now let's open up our email over here, and you can see there is the email verification by Epic Games itself. Let's click on the Epic Games email verification, and here's the code. Let's copy paste it over here. Okay, we're not be able to copy paste it, so we'll type it manually. Let's go, and after entering the number or the verification number sent by the Epic Games, let's click on verify email. You can see it's loading. And there guys, we have successfully signed up for a Fortnite account or a Epic Games account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.